What sport is that? Today's sport is a triathlon. A triathlon is a sport that consists of 3 different events, one after another, without resting in between. They are swimming, cycling, and running. The official rules for a triathlon were invented in the early 1970s by the San Diego Track Club, but the sport has roots in multi-event races that were held in France in the 1920s. In the early 1970s, the first triathlon consisted of a 10-kilometer run, an 8-kilometer cycle, and a 500-meter swim. Over time, triathlons have gained popularity around the world. The first world championships for a triathlon were held in 1989 in France. In 2000, at the Sydney Games, the triathlon made its Olympic debut. One of the hardest and most famous triathlon races is the Ironman. This race consists of swimming 2 miles, biking 100 miles, and running a marathon, which is about 27 miles. Anyone competing in an Ironman triathlon has about 17 hours to complete it. 2021 Tokyo Olympic Games, both men and women's distances for a triathlon will be 1,500-meter swim, a 40-kilometer bike ride, and a 10-kilometer run. The first athlete to cross the finish line for both men and women is the winner. New for the 2021 Olympic Games, there will be a mixed relay for triathlons. Teams will have 2 men and 2 women competing over a short course, which will consist of a 300-meter swim, an 8-kilometer bike ride, and a 2-kilometer run. Today's question: what is the name of the hardest and most popular triathlon race? A. Ironman, B. Captain America, or C. Iran?